Do you want to know how you can search for creators on Onlyfans? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search for creators in Onlyfans. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser, and in the right hand side you can see the search option. You can go ahead and search for your favorite creator and then press the enter button. After you search, you can see that you will find your creator. Let me give you another example. Go to the search bar and then search for your creator, and then your creator will appear, and then you can click on the link or the profile which appears. So it's quite simple. Go to the search bar and then search for your favorite creator. Now you can click on your favorite creator's profile and then you can subscribe to him or her. So this was a video on how you can search for creators on Onlyfans. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.